Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Mailhooks, otherwise known as Webhooks, specifically for Gmails in Make.com. So what you want to do is create a new scenario and then go to the plus and add a Mailhook. Then you want to add a new one and call it whatever you want. Save that. Then what you want to do is copy this address to the clipboard and save. Just save that. Now you can immediately test this Mailhook by running this once and then going to an email that you want to test and forwarding it on. So you can forward it directly to this Mailhook that we just set up. So we go send there and it should come through quite soon. There we go, so we just got the email and it just came through. Now, how do we set up automatic forwarding? Because we obviously don't want to manually forward these on every single time. So the way you can do that is by going to your settings, which you can find up here, and then go into forwarding and pop IMAP. Then what you want to do is add a forwarding address and enter the Mailhook that you just created before, and then go next. Now Google will ask you for verification, so I'm just going to skip ahead while I do this. Okay, so I just verified it. Next, what you want to do is you want to forward mail to the address that we set up, so go proceed. And it'll send you a confirmation link. Now this isn't an email address that you can just check. So to get to this confirmation link, what you have to do is go back to your make routine, and then run it again. And this time, use existing data. And this is important because if you wait for new data, you won't get that confirmation link. But if you make the mistake, you can always resend the link. So just go use existing data, and you'll see we've got the email that came through with the confirmation link. So open this up, find the link, and then open it in a new tab. Go confirm. And you might get asked for another Google confirmation when you do this. So if you do, just do that and then you should see this screen. So next, what you want to do is go back to your settings. Now, if you refresh it, it might not come up immediately. You might need to click away and then come back to your settings, and that will appear. And you might have to do that a few times before it appears. So now, if you click forward a copy of incoming email to this address, it will forward every single email that comes into the inbox into the webhook, as long as the routine is running. But if you just want to forward specific emails, say there's one from a certain email address that you want to notify yourself of, what you do is you go disable forwarding first, then you can go to the email address that you want to set up the rule for, or type of email address. So in this case, I want to only forward into my webhook emails from PandaDoc that have this text. The other text will be different depending on the proposal or the name. So what I'm going to do is just copy this. Then I'm going to go to the three dots, go to filter messages like this, and then paste in the text that you want, and then go to create filter. Then check forward to, and then choose the address we created. Now sometimes this might not appear, and you might have to refresh a couple of times or just check that it's in your settings. Once you're done with this, press create filter, and Google will need to verify again. So I'll just skip ahead. And there you go. So once that's done, you'll see a notification saying your filter was created. And from now on, every time you receive an email with those specific parameters, it'll be forwarded on to your webhook as long as it's running. So that's how you create a webhook email in Make.com.